Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to Kenny's Tool Review. Today we're going to go over a new Harbor Freight tool that I bought, the Holt funnel system, I guess. I should have saved the box for better pictures, but I wanted to review it first before I reviewed it, and the box is long gone for now. To be honest, I'm very impressed with this. The only thing that I noticed so far is, even though there's a cap, it did seem to leak out here a little bit, but other than that, it's been doing great. All the caps are really nice quality. Like, I'm really surprised. So they're all labeled too, which is nice. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it in the video. Yeah, they're all labeled really nice. You know, Chrysler, Volvo, Toyota. There's another Toyota one. There's a Subaru one. I used this one yesterday. That one worked great. A couple different GM ones and Chrysler ones. You can see GM, this one, GM, and Ford. So this is going to be a very popular one here. It didn't leak at all. It's got one gasket right there that seals against here. I'll just leave that down. And then this one itself has an O-ring on it, just like it would normally. I had to use this Toyota one. I mean, they all worked great so far. I highly recommend them. Comes with its own little cover. Obviously, you can take stuff off. It's got a little screen at the bottom, so no big particulates are going to fall on there. Yeah, so far, really impressed with it. For the price, I mean, it's like, I don't know, it was like 40 bucks altogether. For the whole set, it comes with all, look at, this is ones for the BMWs, the Volkswagens, and the Mercedes. We have another one like this. It's like 50 bucks for a single fitting. Actually, I'm gonna go grab it. All right, so I went and grabbed a couple of our others that we've had. These are the two snap-on, well, these are just two of the snap-on ones that kind of do similar thing, where they have like, I don't know, 6 different ones. This one being the Lexus Toyota one. That would be this yellow one. Nailed it. Yeah, so though that whole set's really expensive, not to mention this one that we got for Toyota that we used to use for, you know, it would be the same style as this. It lost its rubber piece, so it doesn't really work that good anymore, but that one was another 50 bucks. This whole set's 40, and it's working great, so highly recommend it. I'll try to leave a link for you on Harbor Freight, but you know, you just go to the store. It's in the automotive section. Pretty reasonably priced, and so far so good. I'll let you know if any of these other ones are leakers or something along those lines, but so far they're doing great. The O-rings look great. See if those hold up to oil. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.